Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in the Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge, hosted by my sweet friend Christina over at the DIY Mummy. I hope you enjoy. The rules of this challenge was to do either a DIY or decor idea in your outdoor space. I came across this beautiful ivy trellis from my local Kmart. I thought it was just perfect for my outdoor area, but I wanted to add Chelles touch. I started by shopping my own home for my flowers that I have. I have a lot of flowers from Kmart Australia. These are inexpensive roses and I love using them in my DIYs. I also had a few larger ones that came from my local dollar store. I started by cutting my roses fairly short, and what I'm going to do here is make the roses look like they're growing out of the trellis. So the trellis was put together with some wire. So what I'm doing is just tucking over and under into the wire on the trellis. I continued on adding them randomly over certain areas of the trellis. Now, I didn't have a particular idea in mind. I just added roses where I felt that I liked them. As this was going to be on my wall outside, I wanted to make sure that the roses were secure. So I was just going around and securing them in place, making sure that they were secure in the wire that was already on the trellis. So as you can see here, I'm adding them so that they're pointing downwards and almost on a slight angle, as if they're growing over the trellis. This is just a close-up of me tucking it under that wire and then back up through the wire to give a secure hold. I then got those dollar store roses, and there were 5 in total, and I added them randomly also over the trellis. And to finalise my trellis, I also added these beautiful dollar store flowers, and I loved that they were fuchsia pink and they went so perfectly with the blush pink and the cream roses. My favourite pastimes is decorating my outdoor space, and sometimes this area can certainly get overlooked, guys. So I'm definitely inspired by each and every one of you that have participated in this wonderful challenge to see how you've decorated your own space as well.
It's so hard to be near you. You make it hard for me to breathe. And I can't stand to see you smile, 'cause it kills me from within. Your voice is like an arrow that pierces me through the heart. And your touch is like fire that will burn my skin. I wish that
As you're aware, I always love sharing simple, inexpensive ways for you to decorate your space. I absolutely love taking something as simple as this Kmart Australia trellis that only cost me $35, and I added some Kmart and dollar store flowers to give that shell touch.
I'm in love with you. I know I'm not supposed to be, but I am.
As we are in the middle of fall here in Australia, I wanted to really warm up this space as well. So I think the trellis with the roses gives me that spring-summer vibe all year round.
It's so hard to see you when you are with him. And it's so hard to hear you when he makes you laugh.
Guys, make sure you head on over to Christina's channel and check out the playlist of everyone who has participated in this wonderful outdoor DIY and decor challenge.
If only you could see.
A big thank you to Christina, who always hosts such a wonderful challenge like this every season. I so enjoyed participating.
'Cause I'm in love with you. Yeah, I'm in love with you. I know I'm not supposed to be, but I am.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate your outdoor space. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.